Welcome back to Offbeat Wanderlust, where we uncover the world's most exciting hidden gems. Today, we're landing smack dab in the heart of Buenos Aires, a city so vibrant, even its buildings dance the tango. Fun fact: Buenos Aires has the world's widest avenue, Avenida 9 de Julio, which is so wide it might take you until next Tuesday to cross. The best time to visit? Springtime, between September and November, when the jacaranda trees are in full purple bloom. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because number 10 is something that'll have you dancing on rooftops. Literally. So, let's dive in and get this fiesta started. Quick reminder, fellow Wanderlusters, if you're ready to dive deeper into these offbeat adventures, check out the links in the description below for more info. And if you're loving this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future travel tips and adventures. Got any thoughts or your own Buenos Aires experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Number 1. Cementerio de la Recoleta. First stop, we're getting a little spooky in the most elegant way possible. Cementerio de la Recoleta isn't your average cemetery. It's a labyrinth of marble mausoleums and statues that are as much art as they are tombs. This place is so fancy. Even the ghosts hold their pinkies up. You can pay your respects to Argentina's most iconic figures, including Eva Perón herself. Strolling through this city of the dead is like walking through a history book with better architecture. Just remember, if a statue winks at you, it's probably time to move along. Number 2. Guided bike tour in Palermo. Next up, we're swapping out walking shoes for wheels on a guided bike tour through Palermo. Forget the gym. This is how you sightsee and burn calories simultaneously so you can eat more later. You'll pedal past vibrant street art, lush parks, and trendy boutiques. And speaking of eating, did I mention there's street food involved? Think empanadas so good they'll make you question all other pastries. And choripan, that's basically a love letter between chorizo and bread. Just be careful not to drool while cycling. It's not a good look. Number 3. Café Tortoni. After all that biking, you've earned a caffeine fix. Head over to Café Tortoni, the oldest cafe in Argentina, established in 1858. This place is so steeped in history, you might accidentally time travel. Order a café con leche, and maybe a dulce de leche-filled pastry. Calories don't count on vacation, right? Grab a seat by the window and indulge in some top-notch people watching. You might spot a local artist sketching their muse, or a tango duo practicing their steps between sips. Either way, it's the perfect spot to soak up that Buenos Aires charm. Number 4. Classical tango show at Galería Güemes Theater. Ready to get your toes tapping? Head to the Galería Güemes Theater for a classical tango show that will sweep you off your feet, figuratively, unless you decide to join in. This isn't just any tango show. It's the kind that makes you wonder if you've been walking wrong your whole life. The dancers move with such passion and precision, you'd think they're floating. The theater itself is an architectural gem, adding a dash of elegance to the whole experience. Just a heads-up watching might inspire you to take a tango lesson or two. Don't say I didn't warn you. Number 5. Enjoy Argentinian wine. Now, let's wind down. Pun absolutely intended. Argentina is famous for its Malbec, and tasting it here is like meeting the grape's entire family tree. Fun fact, Argentina is the 5th largest wine producer in the world, and its vineyards are some of the highest in altitude, which apparently makes the grapes closer to heaven. And who can argue with that? Visit a local wine bar and indulge in a flight of different varieties. Your taste buds will be doing their own little tango, and after a glass or two, you might just join them. Remember, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, especially when you're on vacation. Number 6. Palermo Foodie Walking. Who's ready to eat again? Join a foodie walking tour in Palermo, where the only real workout is lifting a fork. This is like a progressive dinner, but with an Argentinian twist. And yes, wine is included. From juicy asado to crispy empanadas, you'll sample a bit of everything while learning the history behind each dish. Oh, and let's not forget the drinks. Think refreshing Fernet and cola, or another glass of Malbec, just to balance out all that deliciousness. By the end of the tour, you'll be a culinary expert, or at least too full to walk anywhere that's not downhill. Number 7. Learn to cook empanadas and alfajores. Why just eat when you can learn to cook like a local? Roll up your sleeves for a hands-on class where you'll master the art of making empanadas and alfajores, Argentina's most beloved snacks. Spoiler alert, empanadas are way easier to make than they look, and alfajores, those heavenly dulce de leche sandwich cookies, are basically happiness in biscuit form. You'll leave with recipes, new cooking skills, and a kitchen full of delicious smells that'll make your Airbnb neighbors jealous. Plus, once you're back home, you can impress everyone at the next potluck with your newfound talents. Number 8. La Boca Guided Walking Tour. Time to lace up those walking shoes again. La Boca is calling. This colorful neighborhood is practically a postcard come to life. You'll stroll past vibrant buildings, tango dancers performing in the streets, and, of course, La Bombonera, home to Boca Juniors, one of the most famous football clubs in the world. A guided tour through La Boca gives you the lowdown on the area's rich history and immigrant roots, and let's be real, you'll probably snap about 1,000 photos. Pro tip: don't leave without picking up a souvenir from one of the many local artists. Just don't try to tango while holding your camera. Number 9. Learn to tango. Okay, you've seen the professionals. Now it's your turn. Sign up for a tango class and get ready to channel your inner dance star. Don't worry if you have 2 left feet. That's what the lessons are for. In no time, you'll be gliding across the dance floor like a seasoned porteño. It's not just about the steps. Tango is a story of passion, rhythm, and connection. Plus, it's a fantastic workout. Who knew dancing could make you feel this graceful? After your lesson, you'll never look at a dance floor the same way again. And yes, you absolutely should practice in front of the mirror later. Number 10. Enjoy a rooftop barbecue. Ready for the grand finale? Picture this. A warm evening, the sun setting over Buenos Aires, and you're enjoying an asado, which is an Argentine barbecue, on a rooftop with stunning views. The smell of sizzling steak fills the air, and your plate is piled high with the finest cuts of Argentine beef. But it's not just about the meat. There's provoleta, a grilled cheese, chimichurri, and of course, more wine. This isn't just a meal, it's a cultural experience. Sitting back with a full stomach and a glass in hand, you'll realize this is the perfect way to cap off your Buenos Aires adventure. Pure bliss. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tagging along on this Buenos Aires adventure with Offbeat Wanderlust. I hope you're as excited as I am to explore all these hidden gems and offbeat experiences the city has to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next destination. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop a comment below and tell me which of these Buenos Aires experiences is your must-do. See you on the next Wanderlust-filled journey.